Robotic welders fuse the torso frame, creating a lightweight yet incredibly strong skeleton. This is where Tesla's Optimus robot begins, inside a pristine, ultra-automated factory built for the future. And just minutes later, dozens of frames move seamlessly down the fully automated line. Every frame starts as raw aerospace-grade metal, cut with millimeter-level laser precision. Production scale is truly unprecedented. Precision CNC systems craft the joint housings that allow human-like movement. Advanced stamping systems shape each structural component with flawless consistency. Precision CNC systems craft the joint housings that allow human-like movement. High-efficiency electric actuators are installed to power every step. In sanitized cleanrooms, micromotors are inspected for perfect performance. Each robotic hand is assembled with delicate, human-like dexterity. The internal spine system provides balance and structural stability. Advanced vision sensors give Optimus its digital eyesight. Custom AI circuit boards are assembled with microscopic accuracy. High-density battery modules are built for all-day operation. The power core is seamlessly integrated into the torso. Internal wiring is routed with perfect efficiency. The AI processor, the brain of Optimus, is installed. Each robot undergoes automated movement calibration. Balance systems are fine-tuned for natural walking motion. Strength tests ensure industrial-level lifting capability. Real-time diagnostics verify every function. The outer shell is molded for durability and elegance. Automated polishers create a pristine surface. The head module is secured, completing the humanoid form. With a silent startup, Optimus comes to life. Motion algorithms synchronize flawlessly. Fine motor control is carefully validated. And suddenly, the factory floor is filled with the future. Optimus is trained for real-world factory tasks.
Now, intelligence is uploaded into each unit.
Optimus is trained for real-world factory tasks.
Engineers continuously refine performance through AI updates.
Thermal scans confirm optimal efficiency. Durability testing ensures long-term reliability. Autonomous charging systems keep operations uninterrupted. Navigation systems adapt in real time. This facility operates with near-total automation. Autonomous carriers streamline internal logistics. Final inspections guarantee perfection. Human and machine collaboration begins here. Each unit is prepared for global deployment. Distribution is fully automated. A centralized AI oversees every process. Operations continue 24 hours a day. Powerful data centers refine Optimus intelligence. Built for productivity. Designed to support human workers.
From raw metal to intelligent motion.
This is not science fiction.
This is the future of manufacturing, happening now.